Hi, I'm Ragini. I'm from Udupi. I have done my B.C.A. In the year of 2022. I was struggling a lot to my career and I was looking for a stable job profile. I got to know about the Evision TechnoServe from one of my friend. So I joined Evision TechnoServe in 2025 April 8, and I must say it was a great decision for starting my career in the IT industry. The team at Evision uh, uh, provided excellent training, practical knowledge, and full support throughout the placement process. It was a 45 days internship program. Evision team helped me a lot uh, through this journey and taught me everything very well, from basic networking to advanced networking. I got placed at Artech Infosystem where I was offered a package of 2.85 LPA. I would really thank to Priya ma'am, Sati ma'am, Ganesh sir, and all the members of the eVision team who helped me a lot through this journey, from learning to getting a job. They teach me everything theoretically as well as practically. That helped me a lot to understand the exact thing. Thank you so much for the constant help and support.